If you think space is mysterious, wait till you dive into the ocean's depths. Believe it or not, less than 5% of Earth's oceans have been explored. That's like having a giant library and only reading one book. And here's a jaw-dropper. The Mariana Trench is deeper than Mount Everest is tall. Imagine flipping the tallest mountain on Earth upside down, and it still wouldn't reach the bottom. But wait, the coolest part. The deep ocean is home to creatures that glow in the dark. Yep, bioluminescence. These amazing animals produce their own light like living nightlights. So next time you think about the ocean, remember, it's a mysterious, glowing, and mostly unexplored world just waiting to be discovered. Stay curious and keep exploring.